imoto kamama ekhaya ayibe right bengenankinga ayisebenzisayo ngayidlula nje emgwaqweni right ngahamba ngaye emsebenzini but an hour later I think bengaboma 7 ekuseni then I received a call yokuthi isibreakiwe yashawa iwind. Let me just show you what happened kuyo le moto. Baliphahlazile iwind njengoba ungabona maliphahlazekile ke then there is proof konke okwenzekile laphansi njalo njalo kunento ekhona. Well normally ke ey'ntweni njengalezo ufonela amaphoyisa ukuthi the first place to go is to call the police. Then I called the police or I started calling friends emaphoyiseni, even the highest police office of a province just for advice. I'm on air right now, 9 yenzekile yini. So ke knowing ukuthi indawo ofanele ngireporte kuyona it's called Berea police station. So after the show I drove to Berea police station. I didn't want to touch the car ngathi abayiyekela so that my fingerprint abo angasaleli, like because whoever did this there might be fingerprints if they were not using ama gloves and stuff, and then so that the police azokwazi ukuthatha information. I think ngifica a sergeant, a whole sergeant uthe umama uSergeant Hlongwane uthi umama Sergeant Hlongwane, one indawo yakho okuyona ifola under Durban Central, so amaphoyisa ase what's a place called ase Berea, they will not help you kuloko. So ngathi okay, no, it's fine. So but ungalivula icala, I just want to quote njengokusho kwakhe, ungalivula icala ayikho inkinga, ungalivula icala khona la but you won't get no, I shouldn't, you won't get a case number. But something like that won't help you with insurance. But I insist what you need to do is to go to Durban Central. But even that Durban Central won't come to your place. Bezothatha my fingerprint. You must drive the car to the police station. And my question was, Mamu Hlongwane kanjani phela, because manje if sengiqala ngidrayiva le moto it's like kuzobe sengicontaminate ubufakazi obukhona, because it's more of indawo kwenzeka isigameko. Ngizoyidrayiva kanjani because mangithinta ama-fingerprint lafanele bawathathe laba bantu azobe seyathinteka. Uthi exact word, zama ukuyidrayiva kodwa ingathinteki. Bese I stand to be corrected. Sayitshena uthi zama ukuyidrayiva kodwa ingathinteki, but she stands to be corrected. If ubonile part 1, I'm so sorry, part 1 has to uyawakhatheka ngenxa yokuthi ngiphelelwe ibet while I was still alive. There is no way kufanele ngivule isivalo saleya moto, kufanele ngithinte steering. I don't even know what in about injonjile phakathi. I really don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, that's an issue, man. Kuningi on your birthday, kuningi. But yeah, Monday Jojwanga, that's all that matters. Athi kulukulu lingabolwa dina anothula ngiyonilwela. However, ophihliza le moto yefro, iBhayibheli uthinta nina thinta inhlamvu yeso lami. Thinta nina thinta inhlamvu yeso lami. I pray that uNkulunkulu ukuphe grace to repent wherever you are. If you are looking at this video and you know ukuthi udlule kulo mgwaqo waphahlaza le moto wathatha lokho okuthathayo, sengivele ngadecide ukuthi I'm not going to take my energy ngihambe ngiye Durban Central, because angifuni ukuthi ngiphinde ngilalele elinye iphoyisa lizongixoxela ngeyitori abangazazi now. I just spoke to someone who's very senior emaphoyiseni, akayizwa nanokuyizwa lento esho usayitsheni. So i-drive kanjani imoto ngayithinti ngihambe yazi ngiyimagine uma udlamba ngene endlini yakho bagqeze endlini yakho angazi guys, I'm not a police officer, I'm so sorry njengoba ngisho nje ngikhuluma from a standpoint okuba umuntu nje ongazi lutho. Ngizoyiqukula kanjani indlu ngiyilethe e-police station ngithi aniyi-search-eni ama-locals ama-fingerprint without touching it. Jesus. So it's one of those things ezenzakalayo in this world. It's one of those things ezenzakalayo in this world, but greater is he that is in us than the one is in the world. But we're not going to stop in this. So right now, if you are here and you're watching and you have a business, you're fixing motor, wind, because we've got a lot of things. Efanele zenze from the was fix imoto iwinde fast, because I don't need no fingerprint right now. Ngifuna ufixa le moto uzokwazi ukubuyela emgwaqweni. Mangithi ngiyal-order lapha kubowayo bangitshela ukuthi it was order factory, so I don't even know ukuthi atholakala kuphi. So ngiyazi ukuthi khona umuntu ozomabhizinisi oba namawindi ahlele ready. So that iBhondolo sisazokwazi uqhubeka ahambe aye endaweni zakhe ngale weekend. Nami ngiya kweminye umncwabe ngimningi engihlalele efanele ngi-attende, and then bese ngiyahamba ngiyenkonzweni on Sunday. So I'm not gonna wait for 2 or 3 days for people bazafana ngedrive imoto. Oh, by the way, shile bantu bafanele ngilande singiyabona. I'm so sorry guys, I missed that one. Shile bafanele ngithole in the truck edonsa imoto. Supposed to get that truck edonsa imoto ingayithinti ihambe siyidrop e-police stage fee ithatha fingerprints rather bese phinde ngiyithatha ngiyibuyisa ngibuya nayo. I think that's what she meant. I think I get it now. Uthi take it to PG Class. I've tried PG Class. PG Class uthi they no longer do imoto. They rely ekuthenini you can go buy, but they don't longer do amawindi lawo akhona. Mele ulithenga khona then ulise kubona. So yeah, man, I'm gonna keep googling, but the police, Kwanazi, I love you, my brother. I know that I've sent you an SMS now this morning, but shout out to NIU ngumsebenzi wawenza, but last my police station othi angazi umuntu angiyenzeni uzuthi naye utheni. If I stand to be corrected, Sergeant Hlongwane, you stand to be corrected. Being a sergeant, I honor the badge. I honor iphandlo nazo nemendlela. Hey, yeah. Ngiyabonga wenkululeko Mthembu uthi benziwa manje ubuye nayo. Hey, but leyo into engayitholi welokhuza ukuthi kanjani man. Ngizafuna ukuyeza bekade enziwa nkosikazi leya e-PG Class, but I will make a phone call now and maybe drive to PG Class, because lena ke fortunately ngihamba ngayo ayikalimali yona, ayilimele, then ngizokwazi ukuhamba ngayo ngiyobona ukuthi khona yini into engakwazi ukuyenza ngizo PG Class ukuthi uthini, and then yeah, and try and do something, but yeah. Thank you so much. So I'm sorry guys, I got cut off, but that's an issue that you have, man. It's my birthday otherwise. Let me quickly go and sort out this issue, and then I will hook up with you a bit later on. Kodwa ke yeah, Ningizimu Afrika ke sihlala kuyona injalo. uNkulunkulu uyanithanda nami ngincinga kakhulu. God bless you. So take to Umgeni Road next to Kings Park Stadium. Angitholela phela with Daniel Madi. What's the name of the thing so that I can quickly go Google, because I really need to sort this car today. Sengimise is car is it. Nama nine thing is about inhlakanipho to ayise police station izogciwa. Nine thing is abengafuni kuhamba ngiyisi yoshiwa khona. I don't have time. Angisho amaphoyisa azoyigciya, but sengiyasho nje ukuthi I don't want to have Leo muntu ehleli khona la ehleli khona, but yeah man, that's what is happening right now. Ngiyanithanda ke kodwa bafowethu, sisonke ngizon-update ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Right now I'm off to PG class and see ukuthi ayikho into engayi-negotiate nabo, ngibashuthele iy'thombe ngibona ukuthi khona into abangayenza, even if bafuna ukungi-charge extra, but as long as tonight imoto kalo mama, because she's got plans ukungikhipha today, so angifuni ukuthi abe down. Yeah, bye bye bafethu, ngiyancane.